And some more breaking news to bring you in the last few moments. The International Criminal Court judges have issued arrest warrants against the Russian President Vladimir Putin. We don't have any more details than that at the moment to bring you, but we will, of course, bring them to you as we get them.
Has the world gone mad? The International Criminal Court, which is based in The Hague, said that it has the right to open a criminal investigation against Israel. Let me be clear. The ICC has no right to investigate, no right to indict, no right to try, and no right to convict any Israeli whatsoever. The International Criminal Court is a sham. Israel is not a member of this fake court.
The ICC cannot subject Americans to arrest, prosecution, and jail. The U.S. is not a party to the Rome Statute that created the ICC, and even if a prosecution were to proceed, it would make a mockery of due process. There's no requirement for unanimity for a conviction. The prosecution can rely on hearsay to obtain a conviction. There's no real guarantee of a speedy trial. And instead of facing a jury of one's peers, it's a panel of judges who aren't subject to any American accountability. Trump administration is taking the following actions. First, we're authorizing the imposition of economic sanctions against ICC officials directly engaged in ICC efforts to investigate U.S. personnel or allied personnel against that allied state's consent, and against others who materially support such officials' activities. Designations will be made on a case-by-case basis against specific individuals or entities. And second, the United States is expanding visa restrictions for officials directly engaged in those same investigations. We're extending and expanding these restrictions to include their family members. It gives us no joy to punish them, but we cannot allow ICC officials and their families to come to the United States to shop and travel and otherwise enjoy American freedoms as these same officials seek to prosecute the defender of those very freedoms.
Rest assured that the men and women of the United States Armed Forces will never appear before the ICC, and nor will they ever be subjected to the judgments of unaccountable international bodies.